Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable Brave Shields in Brave browser in 2026. Brave Shields help block ads, trackers, and other unwanted content to improve your privacy and security while browsing. Let's get started. First, open Brave browser on your computer. Next, open any website. You'll see the Brave Shields icon in the address bar. Click the Shields icon to open the Shields panel. If Shields are turned off for the current website, click the Shields toggle to turn them on. Once enabled, Brave will begin blocking ads, trackers, and other unwanted content on that site. If you want to enable Shields for all websites, click the menu in the top right corner and select Settings. In the left sidebar, click Shields. Make sure the default Shields protection is enabled. You can also customize options such as trackers and ads blocking, block fingerprinting, and upgrade connections to HTTPS based on your preferences. After making your changes, close the Settings tab. Brave will automatically use your selected Shield settings while you browse. That's it. You have successfully enabled Brave Shields in Brave browser. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.